Install Skout app on Android. Find the Skout app on your home screen or app drawer, then tap and hold the icon until option appears. From the pop-up menu, you will see Uninstall button. Tap Uninstall to confirm by tapping OK. This removes the app from your device but does not delete your account. We have another way. Open Setting on your Android device. Then go to App, scroll down and select Scout. At the bottom you will see Uninstall. Tap on it. Then tap OK to confirm. And if you plan to reinstall later, you can log in using Facebook or Google to keep your account intact. To permanently remove your account, delete it in the app before uninstalling. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.